I've been with Dreamworx Roofing almost 5 years. This November will actually be the completion of 5 years. So the most important part of our roofing project, I think, is ventilation. And that kind of stems from a lot of previous roofs that I did a long time ago. No one really stressed ventilation, and we're seeing a lot of those roofs that were intended to last about 30 years failing far sooner than that. I love the people, right? Not necessarily roofing related, but I love the fact that I just get to meet a lot of new people. We have a lot of great homeowners we get to meet, and you're not stuck in the same place all the time. You get to bounce around and meet so many different types of people from all over the state. What I don't like is that there's not a lot of education for property owners, for homeowners, about roofs themselves, and I would really like to see a change in that part of our industry. Horses, and because a horse in its normal size is dangerous at both ends and crafty in the middle. Much bigger, keep that thing away from me.